Hi, thanks for tuning in. This is Neelam. If you have a mini band and less time to work out, then I have an ultimate and very effective lower body workout for you, which will target every single muscle group of lower body, and that requires only a mini band and just 10 minutes. And I promise it will be as effective as your other lower body sessions. So if you are really running out of time or want some cool changes in your regular training routine, then give this workout a shot to lose some lower body fat and achieve those toned and beautiful legs. The workout includes 10 easy exercises. We will perform each exercise for 45 seconds followed by 15 seconds of rest. And the only equipment we will use for this workout is just a mini band from a light to medium resistance, but you are always free to choose resistance according to your convenience. So yeah, that's all for introduction. Let's do the workout.
Welcome to the voiceover. So first thing first, wear your mini band, remove all the bends in it and wear right on top of your knees, just right on top of your patella, and have shoulder width distance between your feet. And the first exercise is squat and stretch. So you have to squat down till your thighs are parallel to the floor, and there you have to stretch your band while abducting both legs to sideways, and that way you have to stretch it. Release the stretch and come back to standing position. This way you have to perform these squat and stretches. So choose the resistance where you feel the stretch in it, so where you feel your muscles are working nicely. So that way you have to choose the resistance from light to medium or even heavy. So you must feel the stretch. The whole point is you must feel the effort of your muscles here. So take a break, and the next exercise is lying hip flexion. So you have to lie down here and place your band in both of your feet, just middle of your feet you have to place them, and have a constant tension in the band. Means do not bring your feet too close to each other, otherwise your position of your band will be disturbed. So have a constant tension and pull your thigh close to your chest as much as you can and hold there for a second. Hold that complete contraction, and then you go back to a slight extension where your band is throughout in some tension, sometime in the maximum tension and sometime in the moderate tension. So keep going. You will feel here your hip flexors and your quadriceps working. So few more seconds and take a break. In the next round we will perform the same exercise on the other leg, means we will switch side for the next round here. So enjoy your break and then start your next round, and keep your working leg a little lifted, means point your toe a little upward. Keep your legs a little lifted to have an extra effort by your muscles, and keep going. Pull your thigh towards your chest as much as you can, and then release it a little and then pull it again. And meanwhile your resting leg will be completely straight, your heel touching the floor and your knee locked, and also your ankle should be actively at 90-degree, means you have to keep maintaining the 90-degree angle between your ankle, the resting ankle, so that your band doesn't slip from its position. Take a break. The next exercise is a prone abduction. For this you have to again keep your band right on your knee joint and then lie down on your stomach and lift your lower back up, means your glutes up, your legs up, and from there try to stretch your band by abducting your legs outwards, and meanwhile your legs will be completely straight, your knee will be locked, and stretch your band as much as you can, and then bring back to inside, means inward position slowly. So that movement you have to perform slowly to have more time under tension. So stretch and take 2 seconds to come back to starting position and keep going. Also don't forget to keep your legs lifted throughout this exercise. So the next up will target the inner thigh muscles. For this you have to remove the band from both the legs and put it on one leg and keep it on your knee, right on your knee, and stretch your band with the same side of your hand and place your hand on the floor so that your band will be secure there. And from there you have to start stretching your band towards inside, means towards the midline, and meanwhile you have to place your other hand on back side of your body, means you have to place it a little back side of your hips so that you will have a better stability in your core and your upper body and a comfortable sitting position. So rather than keeping your hands beside your hips, you have to place your hands behind your back. Adjust your band at the position of your knee if required, otherwise keep going. For the next round we will perform the same exercise on the other leg. So put your band on the other leg now and secure it by placing your hand on the floor and start stretching it inside, and also keep your leg straight, your knee locked here so that you can have the maximum tension on your inner thigh muscles. And when you come back to starting position, come back slowly and stretch as max as you can. Have a soft bend at your knee, at your working knee if required, just to clear the resting leg. Otherwise you try to keep it as straight as possible. Also keep your back straight and your core engaged. So if you are feeling it in your inner thigh, means your form is correct. The next up is bridge and flexion. For this you have to again place your band right on top of your knee and lie down with bent knee where your heel is closer to your hips, and from there you have to go to bridge and flex your one leg up, and you have to alternate between leg flexion here, means one time on right side and the other time you have to perform this in the left side. So this way you have to alternate between the flexion, but lift your body up into a bridge every time you perform the rep. And in perfect bridge, your body, your thighs and your body, upper body should be in a straight line, your whole body should be in a straight line. That way you have to bridge. So when you bridge, don't forget to contract your glutes and pull your flexing leg towards your chest as max as you can. So the next up is a toe tap. For this you have to come to your stomach down position, and your thigh and your arm should be perpendicular to the floor and parallel to each other, and secure your band under your resting knee so that it won't slip from its position. And from there your working leg should be completely straight. Keep your knee locked and lift your leg up. When you lift your leg up, you have to feel your glutes working, and you have to pause for a second in the complete lifted position, and as you tap on the floor, immediately lift up again. Do not rest in the tapped position for so long. So keep going with the reps here as max as you can, and use complete range of motion, and do not arch your back. When you lift it completely, don't try to arch your back, yet try to have a complete contraction in your glutes and your legs completely in line with your upper body. So take a break. In the next up we will perform the same exercise on the other side. So secure your band under your resting knee again, and don't forget to keep your palm placement right under your shoulder, and your arms and your thighs parallel to each other and perpendicular to the ground, and keep going. So the next exercise will target our calf muscles, which is seated calf contraction. For this you have to sit in a long sitting position and place your band in the middle of your feet and keep your feet joined and legs together, your legs touching each other, and that is your position. Keep your back straight, your core engaged here, and pull your band towards your body where the band is in a constant tension throughout this exercise. And from there try to contract your calf muscles by pointing your toes in front. So as you point your toes in front, you should feel a contraction in your calf muscles. Hold that contraction for 1 second and then you go back to starting position. So with this exercise, this workout is all done. If you have enjoyed it, if you have loved it, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching.